So we got this here, Screaming Chef. What is it?
Yeah.
Pasta?
The Screaming Chef meals. It's under all 3 of these stickers. It is shrimp garlic alfredo with egg noodles, peppers, and peas.
So it says, take off cardboard for microwave, heat on high for 2 minutes or until it screams. So the gimmick with this food is it makes a noise as it's almost done cooking. That's why it's called the Screaming Chef. So let's see. All right, so here, can you put it in? That's the screaming. Screaming Chef.
This sounds funnier here. But the other one was like really weird.
Let's see what this tastes like. It's got shrimp in here. What else?
It's garlic alfredo pasta with garlic, peppers, and peas.
Okay, interesting. Okay, so here I have it here. It's got maybe 5 to 6 shrimp pieces in it. That's what it looks like. Not focusing. Okay, let's see. Definitely can taste the Alfredo. It's got good flavor. Let's try a piece of shrimp. Very chewy. With these type of microwave meals, it tends to overcook the meats in there. But the garlic Alfredo flavor is good. And you get a decent sized portion. Yeah, not bad for... What's the regular price for this?
It says it right there. It says $2.45.
$2.45 regular price, and we got it reduced because the best before date was coming close, so it was reduced at Walmart. Overall, out of 10, I would give this maybe a 3 out of 10. I mean, no, not out of 10. Out of 5. A 3 out of 5 or a 7 out of 10.
Give it a 2 out of 5.
You give it 2 out of 5? Just the shrimp is a little bit overcooked. It comes with, yeah, there's red peppers and tiny little baby green peas. And then there's the cheese in here too. And yeah, garlic Alfredo sauce and tiny little shrimps. So overall, interesting gimmick of it screaming because of the vacuum seal technology, and it has something on the top where I guess once the steam builds up inside of here, it starts to puff up with air and then whistle through the top. And then that way it lets you know that it's done or close to being finished. The other packet, Denise told me that it had a lower sound compared to this. So it'd be interesting to hear all the different screaming sounds that these make. Anyways, thanks for watching, and hopefully this explains what the Screaming Chef microwavable snack meal is and how it works. Thanks for watching.